You're watching WUIT. We're here to keep you plugged in. And now, reporting the latest in security news, Rita Smortets.
Are you getting tangled up in unused electronic devices? Literally? Maybe it's time to part ways with a little digital spring cleaning. Here are
3 ways to properly dispose of your devices.
First things first, back it up. No, I'm not talking about that kind of back it up, but rather to transfer important files to an external hard drive, cloud service, or new computer. Second, identity thieves have mastered data recovery, so use a reputable utility software to wipe your drive clean. If you want to go the extra mile and, hey, maybe relieve some stress while you're at it, you can also smash the device with a hammer. Who said spring cleaning wasn't fun? Lastly, it's time to recycle your electronics. Here to discuss further is Susie Kapitsky, who handles day-to-day operations at the UR Tech Store. Welcome to WUIT, Susie.
Thank you, Rita. It's good to be here. You look like you could use some help.
You do not know the half of it. Is it true you can recycle electronics through the UR Tech Store?
Yes, whether they are university-owned or personal devices, the UR community can drop off their unused electronics to the UR Tech Store's MedCenter location. Or request to pick up online and our team will collect them from your office's location at no cost.
So what kind of equipment do they accept?
We accept a variety listed on our equipment eligible for recycling page, which also gives our viewers other recycling materials and options.
Now, why can't I just throw my devices in the trash?
Well, since January 1st of 2015, New York state law requires recycling of virtually all electronics, even batteries. Fines for improper disposal start at $100 per incident.
Yikes! Well, thank you, Susie, for stopping by and giving our viewers your helpful information to digital spring cleaning.
Anytime. So, can I say the sign-off?
No. As always, and until next time,
we're here to keep you plugged in.
Hey, that's my line.